Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to practice the hula, the Hawaiian Lullaby. If you're just tuning in and would like to learn this hula from the beginning, go back to the 2 previous videos and join us back here when you're ready. As we say in Hawaiian, ho'oma kau kau, are you ready? Let's hula.
With life in the laughter of morning and starry nights, where I live, there are rainbows and flowers full of colors and birds filled with song.
I hope you enjoyed our hula practice today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button as well as the bell to receive notifications when the next video becomes available. Until we see each other again, a hui ho, mahalo for tuning in, and aloha.